In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your finances and budgets in Clickup using a Clickup template. This is a practical and efficient way to keep all your financial plans and budgeting needs in one seamless workspace. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, let's go to Clickup, the everything app for work. Clickup is an incredibly versatile platform offering a range of tools to help you organize work projects, personal tasks, and yes, even your financial information. Once you're on the Clickup homepage, you'll see the login option in the top right corner. Click on it. This will take you to the login screen where you have multiple ways to access your workspace. Select Sign in with Google for a faster and secure login experience if you've linked your Google account with Clickup. Simply choose your Google account to proceed. If you're already logged into your Google account on your device, Clickup will automatically recognize it, saving you a bit of time. Once you've logged in, it's time to set up your financial management space. Begin by selecting the relevant list where you want to organize your budget. Click on the three dots next to the list title to open the list options. From here, choose Templates to access Clickup's rich library of templates. Next, click on Browse Templates. In the search bar, type Budget and press Enter. This will filter the templates to show only those related to finance and budgeting, streamlining the selection process. Browse through the templates available until you find one that suits your needs. For this walkthrough, we'll select a template called Personal Budget, which is one of the most straightforward and useful ones available. Once you've found the Personal Budget template, click on Quick Use. This allows you to implement the template immediately without any additional setup. Afterward, you might want to customize the name of this template to better reflect its purpose for you. You can do this by clicking on the three dots again and selecting Rename. Enter a new name that makes sense to you, perhaps something like 2023 Budget Plan. With your budget template ready to go, you can now start editing the current tasks to better align with your specific budgeting categories. If you find that you need to track additional expenses or income, simply click on Add Task. This flexibility allows you to tailor your budgeting workspace precisely to your needs, and there you have it. By following these steps, you've set up a well-organized space for managing your finances and budgets using Clickup. Feel free to explore further and customize it as per your requirements. Thanks for watching and happy budgeting.